The 747 is a wide-body, double-deck aircraft with a length of 232 feet, 71 meters, and a wingspan of 196 feet, 60 meters. The aircraft's design and construction involve a significant amount of advanced engineering and materials, including composite materials and advanced avionics. The 747's wings feature a high aspect ratio, which contributes to the aircraft's efficiency and fuel economy. The 747's 4 engines are mounted under the wings, and each engine produces up to 63,300 pounds of thrust. The aircraft's engines are also equipped with advanced technology, such as thrust reversers and noise-reducing features, to improve performance and reduce noise pollution. The 747's cockpit is located on the upper deck, which provides excellent visibility for the pilots during takeoff and landing. The aircraft's flight deck features advanced avionics, including a glass cockpit and fly-by-wire controls, which provide precise and responsive handling.
The 747 has a wingspan of 211 feet and a length of 231 feet, and can reach a maximum speed of Mach 0.92, around 700 miles per hour.